Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your pharmacy assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of retinol, a superstar ingredient for skincare. If you've been wondering how to use it or when's the best time, this video is for you. Retinol, also known as vitamin A1, is a multi-talented ingredient that helps with various skin problems. From acne to wrinkles and dark spots, retinol can handle it all. It's an ingredient that dermatologists often recommend to improve skin texture and fight signs of aging. But how exactly does it work? Retinol goes deep into your skin and encourages cell renewal. In other words, it helps get rid of dead skin cells and promotes new cell growth, leaving you with fresher, smoother skin. Now let's talk about the most important part, how to use retinol. If you're new to retinol, the key is to start slow. Begin with a low concentration and use it only twice a week. As your skin gets used to it, you can gradually increase the frequency and concentration. An important tip, always apply retinol at night and don't forget to moisturize your skin afterwards. As for side effects, some people may experience dryness, redness, or irritation. That's why it's crucial to always wear sunscreen during the day, as retinol makes your skin more sensitive to the sun. To sum it up, retinol is a powerful tool for amazing skin, but you have to use it carefully. Start with a low concentration, be consistent with application, and protect your skin from the sun. And that's it. Now you know the essentials about retinol. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.